Hey there, fellow coders! Today, we're diving into the world of CSS animations to create a visually appealing bouncing ball effect. Get ready to witness some magic as we break down the code step by step. Let's jump right in! Starting off simple, our HTML structure consists of a wrapper container containing 3 circles and 3 shadows. These circles are going to be our bouncing balls, and the shadows will add a touch of realism to the animation. Setting the stage with CSS, we styled the body with a dark background to make our bouncing balls pop. The wrapper container is our canvas, and each circle has a specific position and animation. Now, let's delve into the key CSS properties that bring our bouncing balls to life. Each circle has its own animation defined by the circle keyframes. The animation starts with the ball at the top, squished and elongated. As it progresses, it expands to its normal size, giving the illusion of a bounce. The alternate property ensures the animation plays back and forth seamlessly. To add variety, we've positioned the circles at different intervals. The second circle has a slight delay, and the third one is on the opposite side, creating a dynamic visual experience. But what's a bouncing ball without a shadow? The shadows are cleverly created using the Shadow 1 keyframes, giving the illusion of depth and realism. The blur effect adds that extra touch of finesse. And there you have it! A playful and engaging bouncing ball animation created with just HTML and CSS. Feel free to customize the colors, sizes, or even add more balls to suit your project. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting CSS animations. Happy coding, and I'll catch you in the next one.